Hey guys, welcome to another video on personal finance tips and strategies. In this video, I will be sharing with you another high-paying career which you can obtain without a college degree. This could allow you to earn a six-figure income with just an high school education. Let me ask you a big favor before we proceed any further. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please don't skip the ads, allow them to play. That's how the creator of this video gets compensated for providing you this great information and for trying to help you. Thank you so much. Now let's proceed. This high-paying career that I'm referring to is being an IT support or entry-level cybersecurity technician. This is a lucrative career opportunity with the earning potential of over $50,000 to $120,000 per year without having a college degree. Contrary to popular belief, earning a six-figure income doesn't always require a college degree. With the right combination of skill, hustle, and experience, there's several career paths open to those with just a high school diploma. Now let's look at the path to getting started. The path to getting started is you will want to study for certificates like CompTIA A+, the Google IT Support or Security Plus certificates. These are globally recognized certificates that validate the skills and knowledge of IT professionals, making it a valuable credential for those seeking to enter or advance in the IT industry. After being certified, apply for an entry-level IT job, then move up into security or networking roles. You will be well on your way to making $50,000 to over $120,000 per year without having a college degree. Why it pays? Cybersecurity and tech support are vital in every industry. Providing your skills through real work often outweighs the need for a formal degree. Check YouTube to see how much money IT and cybersecurity techs are making per year. You're gonna be amazed. You will be surprised at how lucrative this career opportunity is. So don't be discouraged because you don't have a college degree. Your high school diploma can be the beginning of a financially rewarding career. Just be willing to learn and hustle. So whether you prefer working with your hands, solving problems, selling, or managing projects, there's a six-figure future out there for you. No college degree is required. So guys, I hope that this video has enlightened you a bit or encourage you, and this is a very lucrative career opportunity, being a cyber security technician. Very lucrative opportunity, and I would encourage you guys to check it out because this is very much possible. If you're watching and you have something that you would like to add to this video, please do so by going down to the comment section below the video, and you could give us your input so that the viewer who is watching this video can benefit from what you've added to this video. And please remember, subscribe to this channel as we will be diving into more opportunities like these. We will be doing our researches and finding out more of these lucrative career opportunities that you can obtain without having a college degree, and we're going to be sharing them with you. So please subscribe to this channel and click on the thumbs up button to leave us a like. Be on the lookout for our next video. But until then, please be safe and may God bless your efforts.